Today we learn 5 important vegetables. Broccoli is a green vegetable with small flower-like heads. Say broccoli, brok-uh-lee. Cucumber is a long green vegetable used in salads. Say cucumber, kyoo-kum-ber. These are the first 2 vegetables in part 2. Pepper is a colorful vegetable that can be red, green, yellow, or orange. Say peh-per. Corn is a yellow vegetable that grows on a cob. Say korn. Both peppers and corn add great flavor to meals. Cabbage is a round vegetable with thick green or purple leaves. Say cabbage. Now we review all 5 vegetables from part 2. Broccoli, cucumber, pepper, corn, and cabbage. Practice saying each name clearly. Carrot is an orange root vegetable, root. Potato is a brown root vegetable, potato. Onion is a vegetable that makes you cry when cutting, onion. These help us remember our main 5 vegetables better. Corn grows on the cob with yellow kernels. Cucumber, kyoo-kum-ber, is cool and refreshing in summer salads. Practice these 2 together. Corn and cucumber and corn. Broccoli looks like tiny green trees. Cabbage grows in tight round heads. Say them together. Broccoli and cabbage and broccoli. Good pronunciation practice. Peh-per comes in many bright colors. Corn is sweet and crunchy. Quick review. What vegetable is colorful? Pepper. What vegetable grows on a cob? Corn. Perfect. Cucumber, kyoo-kum-ber, long and green for salads. Peh-per, colorful and crunchy. Memory challenge. Which is long and green? Cucumber. Which comes in many colors? Pepper. Full review of all 5. Broccoli, cucumber, kyoo-kum-ber, peh-per, corn, cabbage. Say them all together. Broccoli, cucumber, pepper, corn, cabbage. Excellent work! You mastered 5 vegetables. Broccoli, cucumber, pepper, corn, cabbage. You can now recognize and pronounce these important English vegetable names. Ready for the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.